Many foreign guests attending the 6th Digital China Summit in Fujian province were impressed with China's digital economy. The two-day summit, which opened on Thursday, focuses on showcasing the latest achievements of the Digital China initiative and on sharing experience in digital development. An exhibition is held as part of the summit to display the latest achievements of digitalization. And a delegation from Mexico was invited to join the exhibition.
We want to know the technology that China is offering to the world. Actually, I think it's amazing because as soon as you come into the place, you see all the amazing options in many different aspects of life. For me, it's amazing.
I came here for the new technologies from China. I excited about now all the infrastructure you have.
China's digital economy has ranked second in the world for many years. The scale of China's digital economy reached 50.2 trillion yuan in 2022.